I prompted ChatGPT to create an AI chatbot that generate responses like ChatGPT itself. Today, I woke up wondering if I can get ChatGPT to create an AI chatbot that can generate responses like ChatGPT itself. Now, before I sat on my chair and started prompting ChatGPT for what I wanted, I had not researched anything about that and didn't know if a replica is actually possible. Since I'm a front-end developer and I am familiar with JavaScript, so I prompted ChatGPT to create the AI chatbot using JavaScript. And behold the power of AI. It actually did. ChatGPT responded right away and generated the JavaScript code for me. Now, I didn't want to waste my time designing that little chatbot, so I prompted ChatGPT to do that for me as well. Yeah, I am lazy. Now, what I realized was the JavaScript code that ChatGPT generated had this variable defined with const API key, having a string your API key as its value. And right after it was a comment stating that replace it with your actual API key. Hence, I figured I had to get the API from somewhere. Therefore, I searched ChatGPT API on Google and read a couple of articles stating that it is free on OpenAI's website. Without wasting a minute, I jumped on OpenAI's website and clicked login. Now, I wasn't expecting this, but the login button opened a new tab and showed me a simple page having three boxes containing links to ChatGPT, DALL-E, and API. I clicked the API box considering that was what I came for, and finally entered the dungeon of ChatGPT API. I didn't go through any of the tutorials or documentary and went straight to where I could create a new API key. After creating a new key, I went back to my code and replaced the your API key with the key that was generated for me on OpenAI's website. Now, moment of truth. I ran the chatbot on my live server and it didn't work. Yeah. I searched the error that was on my console, and after searching and searching and searching, I realized that OpenAI no longer share free API keys. Confirmed it with Bard, and yeah, they ask you to pay for tokens now. Bard did give me an alternative idea on how I can integrate ChatGPT API on my code, but that didn't work for me either, or I didn't try to work it out. Well, yeah, if you want to make a ChatGPT replica or use ChatGPT's API, go to OpenAI's website and subscribe to their tokens package, and you will be able to use the API. Now, the chatbot didn't work for me, but we can clearly see that you can prompt ChatGPT to create its own replica. With that being said, your Sherazi by not coming slow.